Starting off, you see me in the video. I have stripped the cable back, and now I am taking the string off, and then I'm going to be separating all the wires. This is very important. And then one of the key points of this video and making cables is the correct order. We're going to be using the T568B, and it's important here. The most important step, I think, is starting out at the bottom of the wire and untwisting it. In all my cables that I've made, I felt like this has been the method that has allowed me straight wires like you see. This is important when using a pass through or any connector for that matter. And now we're going to put all of these in order. You'll see it'll be orange, white, orange. Then you see green, white, blue, blue, white, green, brown, white, brown. And now you're keeping them all straight. By my method right there, by starting at the bottom, you see how straight they come out. And now you want to make sure each wire goes into each slot of the connector. You'll know if you didn't get it wrong. If you're using a tester, you'll fail. If you're not using a tester, you won't have any internet or data passing through those cables. And it's important that we line this up in the center so that we get the best crimping, as you'll see here in a moment. This allows the connector not to come loose when it's getting moved around. Here, we're putting it through the crimper, and this pass-through allows the wire to be cut so we don't have to really worry about the length as in some older style connectors where you had to like kind of carefully measure, or